Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today we'll be trying the Byoma Phyto Mucin Glow Serum. This product retails for $16. Byoma always releases so many products at once, and I wanted this to be the first one because amazing innovative technology they've used in this. On paper, looks great. I have always talked about snail mucin. I tried it out a couple of years ago, and it was something that worked well for my skin at the time. I'm someone who is acne prone, and I wasn't sure if it was going to react well with my skin, but it's one of those things I've fallen in love with different technologies of snail mucin as I have tried them. Byoma is labeling this as a vegan alternative to snail mucin. They have a great complex of hydrating ingredients in here that are supposed to kind of mimic the texture, I'm assuming. I haven't tried it, haven't felt it for myself yet. Very excited to be diving into this review though, because Byoma has released hard-hitting launches, I feel like around this time every year. So I'm super excited to see what this serum has in store. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They have a couple of complexes in here, like a phytomucin complex and a barrier lipid complex. And they also have Panthenol in here. It looks to be an amazing ingredient list on paper, so I'm excited to see how that translates in execution. You can check out the full ingredient list by clicking the link in the description to go to their website, or I've also left the full ingredient list in the description as well. A lot that I'm looking for with this product. First of all, the amount of amazing hard-hitting ingredients they have in here for the low price point is very impressive. I mainly want to see what I notice with this product, both in terms instantly and as I continue to use it more long-term. With hydrating serums, a lot of times like this, it claims to be more instant hydrating. I want to see how that translates over time and how it works for my skin. A little bit colder when I'm trying this, so I'm excited because my skin is a little bit more dry. I also want to see how this product feels on the skin, what finish it leaves, and I'm not seeing anything that I think will set off my acne, but anytime a product claims to be more hydrating, I just want to test that out to see if it does cause that. As for anything else, I'm continuing to do check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this serum. So much I'm excited for, so much I'm looking out for with this serum. Biggest thing that I want to see first is if the texture is comparable to snail mucin, which we will be able to find that out pretty instantly. Yeah, it is. Wow. That is exactly what I was hoping for. And what I love that Byoma did with this formula was lean into what I feel like the main marketing standpoint of snail mucin should be, which is overall skin hydration. They also have some balancing ingredients in here as well. I mean, this serum is looking like it's gonna pack a punch. I've seen a lot of people talking about the Corchorus niacinamide and also snail dual treatment serum. And this is kind of seeming like it is the vegan alternative to that. And also, if you've had some sensitivity with snail mucin, whether it be it broke you out, no matter what the issue was, this is another option for you because they have used an alternative formula. I've tried a lot of serums that feel very similar to snail mucin. This is the only one that I have seen do this, like be as accurate as I remember snail mucin being. I'm gonna pat this serum in. I've seen a lot of people recommending to go in on damp skin when using snail mucin, and that's also what I did when I used it. I'm gonna try this on dry skin and also damp skin, but I feel like with the benefits of this product being mostly focused in hydration and also balancing the skin, it's gonna be best to go in on damp skin. This is the most snail mucin feeling serum that I have felt rather than just using snail mucin. And I like it because it's a little bit more lightweight. It has that slight tackiness that I feel like would make it a good primer or make it a good base for other products to follow, but it's fairly lightweight. It's not as thick as I remember snail mucin being, which I actually like better because I feel like it opens up the door for more skin types to use it. I feel like oily skin was a little bit more limited with snail mucin like products and with other more hydrating barrier serums. This feels lightweight, but it feels like it's delivering but I'm hoping it will deliver an internal level of hydration. That glow is undeniable though. Another big thing I'll be looking for with it is if it causes any acne, because a lot of times when I am using more hydrating products, that does open up the opportunity for that, but only time will tell. Every formulation is different. This is feeling very skin barrier supporting though. Definitely heavier when it first goes on, but as you start to pat it in, rub it in, it blends in immediately. It gives a slight tackiness like it would be a good primer, but it's not sticky. It doesn't feel irritating or gross. I will see how it wears though. I am very excited to continue using it, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. Within the first couple of weeks of using it, the serum has significantly helped my overall skin barrier and my skin hydration. So Byoma claims that this is a very lightweight, non-sticky formula. I kind of agree with that, but I do get a little bit of stickiness with it. I do feel like this is the best alternative directly to snail mucin. I've tried out some more moisturizing barrier serums before. The Anua Rice Barrier Serum kind of comes to mind as the closest texture-wise, but when I actually compare this to snail mucin, remembering the texture because I used it for like a year, this product is the closest in terms of stickiness, in terms of the texture whenever you're feeling it, and also how it makes my skin feel. It gives an instant glowy look to my skin because of the texture of it. I would say it's not tacky. It's not something that I would feel my face and it would feel sticky, but it definitely has a little bit of grip to it, if that makes sense. Byoma does describe this as a primer-based product, and that is exactly how I see it. This would, in my opinion, layer well underneath makeup, underneath a moisturizer, a skin tint, anything, because it does give a nice radiant, glowy look to the skin instantly. That's some of the more instant benefits that you'll see with this serum. For me personally, it didn't break me out or cause any acne, and I love the marketing of this product because I feel like it is the perfect full vegan alternative to snail mucin. It really feels the exact same. I also love that they have highlighted that the main purpose of snail mucin is to hydrate the skin, because that is exactly what this serum does best, and that's what most snail mucin serums do. There's no guarantee that it will work for everybody's acne. I know myself, it worked great for my acne prone skin. I would say if you've experienced breakouts with snail mucin in the past, this would definitely be an alternative if you liked the texture, if you liked everything about snail mucin, except for the fact that it broke you out. This is, in my opinion, an alternative. Additionally, they have skin balancing ingredients in here as well, and ingredients that I feel like were personally helping out some of my acne from coming up on my skin. Of course, that is combined with my normal products that I use, but they have some balancing ingredients like Panthenol and great skin supporters that I feel like were also helping to counteract acne, which makes this a really beautiful lightweight hydration serum. Over more extended use, I noticed that my skin was becoming more glowy. I found I was personally able to use it both day and night. I feel like it is also lightweight enough where any skin type could benefit from it. It's not something I feel like would be too heavy for oily skin, but it's also something that I feel like could be layered well for dry skin. The internal hydration that it delivered was the main standout to me, and also that instant radiant finish that it gives my skin. It is just such a beautiful, in my opinion, base layer to whatever follows it. Additionally, Byoma does great things with their pricing. This is a very budget-friendly alternative to snail mucin. Now that's a product that varies because it is a Korean skincare product, so I don't know whether or not it's going to be a lower price point than original snail mucin, but I know that this serum delivered great things, and the added ingredients in this make it so much better than snail mucin in my opinion. A lot of formulations that highlight ingredient primarily put that and that's it. This has a complex that mimics snail mucin and also has so many more added supporting ingredients to be an amazing hydrator for the skin. Out of the barrier serums that I've compared to snail mucin in the past, this one is the lowest price point. And so overall, I would go for this product. I feel like it is the perfect alternative to snail mucin. And honestly, coming from someone who used to love snail mucin, I would rather invest in this because of the complex, because of the great ingredients they have included included in it. And also it's just a little bit more hard hitting in my opinion. That's the thing, I love snail mucin for so long. I've tried out so many products since then that I've loved better, but this one is the lowest price point of all of those, and I also saw great things with it. And so for that reason, I feel like it's the perfect way to deliver a lightweight, slightly tacky, not very sticky, but just enough where I feel like it would be a good makeup primer, and also fast absorbing hydration layer to the skin. They claim it gives a glass skin look. I definitely could see that. I feel like you would need to layer a few more serums or moisturizers to get the glass skin look, because when I think of that, it means really radiant. This did give a nice glow. Don't get me wrong. It was something that I liked layering with other serums and other great hydrating moisturizers to give that full look. And so it's not gonna be the fix-all be-all product, but it is definitely a step in achieving that. So I definitely see where they were coming from with labeling it that. I love this alternative to snail mucin. I feel like it is way more hard hitting, and that's why I would invest in this over snail mucin, at least at the moment. That's proof that skincare is ever changing and I'm constantly learning stuff. This is a newer product launch and I'm so glad I got the chance to try it because this is really hard hitting from Byoma. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.